Hello everybody, back again with the same type of project, a Simplex Noise, but this is a Randomize, okay, a Randomized Particle Noise, okay, this is the way it works, as you can see on the screen, so that when you talk, you see, it moves like, actually beautifully moved, with the music would be even better. So there we are. This is the same principle of the previous one because it's a simplex noise, and this one we call it a randomized because it's at random, but it's very smooth and use algorithms. So it's nice. Everything is exactly the same. I don't need to get through the process again, but I can show you the sorry, I have to there we are. As you can see, practically we've just changed the code. Let me see. Okay, it's the same principle. You have a simplex noise and there is a simplex noise, which we don't change it. It's the same as the previous one. Okay, so then we have the same initialization of the wire begin of the for the Oled, and here we have the same display, clear display, which is for the display, and that's the code here. This is the code that change it to randomize. Okay. So, and then remember the same principle. You got to go here and you got to click a new tab and then type simplex noise.h and keep put the S capital and the N capital. Okay, so because I've already got it, and then you go here and you include simplex noise.h. Okay, so this is the way it works. Let me just see. Okay, so it goes when it picks up the sound, it's spread all over the screen, sort of. And remember that you still got a pot that you can adjust here. Okay, less effective and more effective. But this is another way you can enjoy, yeah, nice wave. There you are. Randomize particle noise. That's what we're gonna call it. Alright. Okay guys, thank you very much. I hope you like it. Yeah, thank you. Have a good day. Ciao. Please give me a thumbs up if you like it. Okay.